Hello, friends and buddies. Welcome to our show, where we engage in unfiltered conversations about life, career, and everything in between.
That's right. This is the podcast with no frills, just real life stories. So you got three friends, your OTT here, ready to share our experiences with you.
Because we're all about keeping it real, no pretensions, no sugarcoating, just us being ourselves. At ipinapakilala namin sa inyo ang
Kami
Kami
lang!
Lang Podcast.
Podcast.
Ay,
The unauthorized.
the unbothered.
And uncut!
Alam mo, napakapakit ng intro. Huwag na tayo magpanggap. Mag-usap na tayo. Ano ba tong podcast na to, Blake?
Yes, this... Ito naman, biglang ba to sa akin?
O, di, sige,
Linya mo
ako
pa
na.
yun eh. Anyway, yun nga, this is a podcast inspired by the recently produced podcast of SB19, which is Atin-Atin Lang Podcast.
Contrary to the belief of some, hindi po ito reaction a podcast or hindi po kami magre-react detail by detail sa kanilang show. This is merely an inspiration kasi meron na po kami existing na show here sa Spotify but we were pressured and inspired to continue doing this.
Mami
Tama ba?
ka inspired o pressure, di isa lang.
Sige na, pressured. Diba?
Pero siguro ano lang, this is our take on the topic that they talked about in their podcast. So, hindi kami talaga directly reacting to their opinions, but we will share our own as well. Kaya nga tinawag namin itong Kami Lang Podcast.
Tama.
Yes. And of course, yung mga iba't ibang opinion pa rin ang mas mananaig dito. Like, syempre yung ibang opinion sa atin-atin lang podcast, hindi natatakel, but malay nyo sa amin yung mahanap yung mga hinahanap yung opinion.
True.
Ay,
I
gusto ko
agree.
yan.
So kung ayaw nyo anong pangalan nito, kung ayaw ninyo reactan or i-post ang content ng boys dahil ito nga ay for 18, i-post na lang yung content namin. Charot!
Well,
But
of
you mentioned a
course.
while ago na merong tinake ang SB19 na test.
Yes, I think it's the 16 personalities test. If I'm not mistaken, Google ko lang po at nag-take ako ng test na ito.
I understand a lot of people have been taking this test. I actually see this in people's Twitter bios at times. I have not taken this test since just today. Please, wag po nating gawing sole basis itong online test na to when it
Definitive,
comes to
diba?
our personalities kasi I believe there are more professionals na qualified mag-diagnose sa personality or kung ano man but you know the test was also it could be a reflection but not defining of who you are
It could
as a
be for
person.
for curiosity and fun. Diba? Don't take it too seriously. Pero ako isi-share ko lang sa inyo, no? Naloka ako because I got, is this logician? And I am 55% introverted daw. My God.
Hoy,
Iniwala
same
naman.
tayo. INTPT. As a logician din ang inyong lingkod. Nakakatawa nga nakalagay, logicians are innovative inventors with an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. And yes, surprising as it may seem, ako po ay 54% 53% introverted. Nagulat din ako kasi I've always classified myself as an extrovert. Wala naman kasing ambivert. So it's either extro or intro, which is nagulat ako dito sa test na to, na-classify ako sa introvert. Ikaw,
Oh my
Harry?
God. Ikaw, Harry, kamusta?
Ako, I feel like medyo tama ng konti. As a campaigner, parang I'm between talaga as follower and a leader. So, parang nandun lang ako sa gitna. Parang at
Ano
the
ba
same
campaign
time,
niya?
Introvert ka din?
no, I'm 54% extrovert.
Ikaw ba ang extrovert sa
I think
atin?
Blake, ito
Mm.
ha, just to clarify with everyone. With my personality and yours, Blake, na nagsasalita sa harapan, iniisip nila kasi extrovert tayo eh. Like, in 100 people in the room, we can speak. Di ba? We can
Yeah.
speak in the front. But we seldom open ourselves to strangers. Unlike Harry. Kuwari sa loob ng isang bar, we prefer to stick with our group set.
Mm.
Si Harry can talk to someone from the different table easily.
Actually, yes. By experience.
And
Oo, yun yung kina-clarify ko kasi pag sinasabi ko introvert ako,
ay, teka lang muna, magsasalita din ako.
hindi
Sige,
pala yung
go.
example, as a
In my
fact. As a
defense,
fact. Mm.
baka naman nakuha ko ito sa trabaho ko as a salesperson. So,
That's
I
that's
think
true.
that
Mm.
explains this personality.
Ako siguro sa trabaho ko, naiirita na ako makipag-usap sa tao. Kaya siguro,
Okay, let's mention some of the parang mga napakinggan natin dun sa atin lang podcast na medyo tumatak. Like for example, yung sinabi ni Pablo na malalaman mo talaga kapag friends na kayo kapag naparinig mo na sa kanila ang iyong mabagsik na utot. Do you agree? Parang
hindi ba
hindi.
kasi
Hindi
tayo
na,
Actually,
ever umabot?
this is my first time to disagree with Pablo. I mean, siguro by
wow.
definition ng friend, medyo nagdi-disagree pa ako kay Pablo kasi parang feeling ko there are types of friend na especially no may lumaki talaga sa alam mo yon medyo village area. So parang yung pag ano pa nga lang pagdighay pa lang minsan sometimes they take it as a alam mo yun pag lalo na kapag hindi ka nag-excuse. So much worse kung nag-umutot ka sa harap nila.
Pero I
Hindi,
think it's
siguro, ano
mm,
siya, hindi ito like specifically sa pag-utot.
sa pag-utot.
Siguro
Oo.
yung level of comfortability mo na
Yes.
you can
Mm-mm.
be yourself or you can do something without the fear of judgment from your friends.
Yeah.
I guess yung
Exactly.
concept, but not
Exactly my
Yeah.
exactly
point. Mm-mm.
specific, ano.
Yeah, I agree. Pero I also believe in still no, yung pag nautangan mo na. Kaya nga lang, more likely talaga kahit sa friends nahihiya ako mangutang minsan. Diba?
Magkakabasagan din kasi
Mm-mm.
ng ano yun eh, sa friendship in the long run.
Yeah.
So, siguro yun nga. Ako, I'd like to reflect more on like being of like tayo. We have topics that we're kind of ashamed to discuss with family or with co-workers na parang hindi mo naman sasabihin tong info na to agad na unlike kapag kasama ko kayo, I can share it like without, again, the fear of judgment. Hindi ako kabado na ikwento tong experience na to or itong gawain to. Or another thing is, di ba, for example, when you're with family or when you're with co-workers, nahihiya kang kumain ng sobrang dami. Kasi, like, hindi naman kayo super close. Tapos, or sa family mo, baka naman mamaya, ang taba-taba mo na, chu-chu-chu-chu, yung ganon. Pero with us, parang go orderin mo kahit anong bet mo so long as kaya mo. I think
Without any
it
judgment.
goes to that concept.
Mm.
Ikaw, Harry, can you cite anything na like comfortable ka kapag kami ang kasama mong gawin na hindi mo magawa with other people?
Yes, of course. Like yung level of comfortability ko sa inyo. Alam mo yun, kaya kong ikwento yung mga,
Tsaka sis, may nilait
Oh.
last time.
hmm?
May nilait ka last time nung tayo lang magkakasama.
Uy!
Charot
Uy.
lang. Pero yun nga,
Pero,
kumbaga, there are things that parang it feels okay kapag
Yes.
it's between your circle of friends. Ikaw, Matthew, do you have anything na like comfortable ka doing with us rather than doing it with, say for example, family or
of
co-worker?
course. Siyempre, yung pagpunta natin sa Remedyo, street.
Well,
Moving
totoo.
on. Yeah.
Diba? I agree. Pero yun nga, we actually tackled a little bit of this or like gave context nung nakaraang live stream natin when we introduced the Kami-Kami Lang podcast sa YouTube. Kasi ang title talaga ng first episode na to is, ano yun?
Finding and losing friends.
Finding and losing friends. Parang it was actually parang I think we only have one incident in mind naman. Pero of course, meron pang ibang incident. Pero I think, nung narinig namin ito at magkakasama kami, isa agad yung pumasok sa isip mo.
Okay, sige. Pero,
Um,
best, just to
mm,
correct ha, yung finding and losing relationships pala, yung pinaka-title
okay.
ng atin lang podcast episode 1.
Mm.
So, tayo medyo tumatak sa atin yung friends.
Yeah.
Bakit?
Yun. Actually, this has been like what, 3 years passed already. So, wala. Ako, definitely neutral na ang feelings ko towards the person anymore. Pero, nalulungkot ako na it happened, but losing friends, it's bound to happen at some point. Kumbaga, especially if you move forward with life, tapos there are some people na who's gonna be, become a bargain, tapos maho-hold back ka from growth or what, then I think it's fine to let them go. It's not easy and it's definitely sad, but it has to be done at some point.
Yeah. Ako, pag-usapan ko lang muna yung losing friends, no? If you're going to browse your Facebook, yung mga often na hindi mo nakikita, tingnan mo, 'di ba? I can assure you ang dami mo diyang na-lose na. I mean,
Yeah.
basically, sasabihin kasi ng iba na parang may friends kasi na kahit bihira lang kayo magkita, friends pa rin kayo. Kahit hindi kayo laging nag-uusap, friends pa rin kayo. And that is true. Madidistinguish mo pa rin yun eh. Pero marami ka na ngayon sa Facebook na friends mo na lang sila sa Facebook and that's it. Na-lose mo na talaga yung personal relationship you had with them. And I
Pero
can
even
assure you with that.
for the case, like for example, sabi mo nga, kahit hindi kayo nagkikita, friends pa rin kayo. But I think lang naman ha, pag nagkita kayo, something's different pa rin eh. Kumaga,
Yeah.
it's not the same as if you were like um encountering each other every day.
Sige, sige. Ako on my part lang. Yung mga naging high school, elementary, kindergarten classmates ko na napakalalim na ng pundasyon ng friendship namin, 'di ba? Can attest na even though hindi na kami masyado nagkikita at nag-uusap, friends pa rin kami kasi talagang childhood friends is quite in a different level na yung mga pinagdaanan namin nung kabataan namin, 'di ba? Meron na talaga silang puwang sa puso ko. Ngayon, sinabi sa akin dati na college friends, somehow, most of them are temporary friends only. Yun yung napatunayan kong totoo at this age.
Yeah.
Na napakarami mong friends nung college na as if magiging friends mo sila for life, but they are just really temporary. And yun, napatunayan ko yun, Blake, na tama ka. Pag magkita, it's more of a hi, hello, how are you?
Ikaw,
Type of
Harry, your
meeting.
Mindoro friends.
Actually, ako recently lang napatunayan ko na parang medyo iba na yung gap dun sa friends mo talaga na super close mo during high schools, no? Kasi one evidence is nung kinasal, hindi ka talaga naka-receive ng any invitation. So, parang yung level of
My
friendship mo kasi, parang
God.
naalala mo lang na level of friendship mo nung high school was really, sobrang inner circle mo talaga siya. Yung parang every time na may
Ride or
problem ka,
die.
oo, na parang every time na may problem ka, yun agad yung taong maiisip mong pagsabihan. So, parang doon ka lang din, masa-surprise ka na lang din talaga na parang, okay,
Pero were you
medyo,
sad or frustrated that you weren't invited?
Tama?
actually hindi naman. Kasi technically ako, na-realize ko din, may lapses din on my part. Like, hindi ko rin naman siya kinamusta. 'Di ba?
Mm.
Like parang mare-realize mo din naman talaga na you have to understand na hindi mo rin talaga kaya maging ano eh, after mong mag-graduate. I think it's about bigger responsibility na alam mong mas kailangan ng attention mo. That's why yung friends mo talaga, lumiliit yung circle mo. So I think
Pero,
it
Pero
okay.
goes a
Hari,
long way with the
no hard
adulting.
feelings. Baka naman kasi mamaya yung hindi pagkakaimbita mo yung naging parang naging na-determine mo na hindi na pala kami friends because I was not invited to the wedding.
Hindi. Talagang nung ano rin, nung college din at saka after nung college din, ayun, hindi na talaga nagkikita. So parang
Mm.
we went to a different school and then so parang kami medyo na-realize ko din, okay, talagang wala na. Pero
Sabagay.
malulungkot ka na lang talaga kasi in a sense na naalala mo kung gaano ka-close kayo nung high school. Which is, sabi nga ni Pablo, yung mga level na nag-uututan na kayo sa harapan.
Ay,
Mga ganun.
okay, I have some realizations no. Nung bata ako, may kasasabihan na friends are just like stars. You can always see them but they are there. Pero after the pandemic, na iba na ang paniniwala ng mga tao. At sa panahon
Ano na?
ngayon na may social media, may cellphone, pag hindi ka talaga magpaparamdam, walang kamustahan, walang personal touch to greeting, to to say alam mo yon, yung parang to make an effort to see each other,
Mm, mm.
talaga nawawala ang friendship. Talaga you lose some relationships just by being absent,
Yeah.
'di ba?
Pero like, kayo ba, 'di ba nafe-feel nyo naman na sometimes nag-grow apart na kayo? Have you ever come to a point wherein na-realize niyo yun and then, uy, parang gusto kong mag-reach out. Parang try to check ba? Or not necessarily try to check, pero yung try to fix. Or try to check or try to fix. Kayo, may trinay ba kayong ganun ever or an incident na ginawa niyo yun?
Ah,
Okay, parang dun sa sinabi mo, Blake, parang feeling ko yung, the effort of reconnecting. Like, ako
Mm-mm.
nag-try din ako actually. Like, parang there was one time na
Wait,
nag-create pa
sorry. Just to set the, was it after you realized it or before pa?
after realizing it na parang
Okay, that's
medyo
nice.
we already lost the connections. Like, parang nag-try pa ako na, "Uy, ano naman, magkaroon naman tayo ng gala sa Mindoro once na, during the Holy Week." Gano'n. So, nag-try ka pa rin talaga. So,
May
yun.
anong naging turnout na? Like, just a quick question.
Actually, may mga hindi nakapunta. So, well,
May
anyway,
responsibilities din.
oo, which is yun nga, parang 'di ba 'pag pumunta ka naman ng Mindoro, you don't owe naman a visit to your friend. I mean kung ano talaga may kanya-kanyang plano. So, dun talaga pumapasok yung it goes along with the adulting, like may mga other priorities na talaga.
Ikaw,
tama.
Matt,
Mm. Oh, well,
have you ever tried?
if oo, maraming beses. Karaniwan diyan kapag may kapag may okasyon, kapag may namatay, may lamay, magkikita-kita kayo eh. Lalo na
Mm.
pag magkakapitbahay kayo or sa same community kayo, magkikita kayo diyan and then you're going to plan out things, mag-outing, mag mag-bonding pero hindi na nangyayari, hindi na nababalikan.
Pero
But
may similar question to,
to Haripat, may isa akong parang nag-reconnect. Parang
mm,
I reconnected with a friend and successful. Di
similar
ba?
to Harry's question. Was it before or after you realized na some things felt different already?
Actually before. Before ko actually sa totoo lang nung ano yan eh, nung nagkita kami, doon ko na-realize na parang ay, ang tagal na namin palang hindi nag-uusap, 'di ba? And
Mm.
then
So
doon namin
those are two
na-realize na
different scenarios. Kasi
yeah,
like with Harry, parang na-realize niya and then dun siya nag-try na mag-like bridge
yeah.
ng connection. But with you,
Mm.
parang you realized it nung binibridge mo na yung
Oo,
connection.
parang ang dami na pala nangyari sa buhay mo. I mean, ang dami na palang hindi ko alam. 'Di ba
Yeah.
may mga ganong moments. But alam mo, it's a work in progress. Aminin niyo yung friendship nating tatlo, no? It's an
Mm.
effort talaga. It's an effort
Yeah.
talaga na babiyahe ka ng malayo. Gagastos ka talaga ng Grab, taxi, and ang
Yeah,
The
gas.
oo.
time actually.
Tayong tatlo at saka syempre pinagbubuklod tayo ng channel na to. But without these things, baka mamaya isa rin tayo sa mga nagkawatak-watak during the pandemic.
The lost
Oo,
the
Mm.
lost
lost
stars.
era. Pero yeah, it happens
Oo.
naman, I think. Kasi like, sabi mo nga, it's an effort talaga to connect. And sometimes, people just become burnt out na sometimes wala ka talagang energy to rekindle
Yeah.
connections. You
Okay.
get
Mm.
what I'm
Now,
saying?
oo. Now, medyo dadagdagan ko lang yung question, no. Meron na ba kayong friendship na nawala Because they are simply toxic. I mean, napag-usapan to ng Mahalima. What to do with toxic relationship. Now, baguhin natin, what to do with toxic friendships. Paunahan ko lang ha, at walang pagtatago. Lahat tayo may magka-toxic. I mean, aminin nyo na.
Mm.
Prangkahan lang tayo, tayong tatlo may pagka-toxic tayo na
Yeah.
alam na ng isa't isa. At syempre kayo din sa mga nakikinig, maraming hindi lang yung friends yung toxic, minsan ikaw din. So, what to do with
Mm.
toxic friendship? Umpisahan mo, Hari.
Ako, definitely, I mean, I can identify the level of toxicity that I can accept, and then at the same time, I can I can easily decide na iba na yung level ng katoxican mo. I'll erase you on my life.
Sa
Ganon.
Earth,
Hindi naman sa earth.
charot
Parang iba na
lang.
yun. Parang
So, ano yung
bound for ano na
pamantayan
yun.
mo? Tao o yung mismong toxic trait niya? I mean,
I think
I'm
it's
saying
more of
nga.
I think it's more of weighing na parang if you're giving me headaches or any alam mo yun, sort of parang di na ako komportable na ka-banding ka. But at the same time, binabalanse mo siya na okay, okay naman din to eh. I mean, pag may mga times ganito siya, okay din naman. And then
Ay,
I can
naku.
decide na let's stick together pa. Pero kapag yung parang puro na lang toxicity yung bibigay mo sa akin at hindi
Ay,
na kita wala nang
okay.
parang wala ng good vibes and mga gano'n. So parang
Like, excuse me lang, fundamentally gusto ko lang talagang sabihin yung pinagkaiba namin ni Harry before we proceed with you. Fundamentally, magkaiba tayo, Harry. For
mm,
me, it depends on the person. Kuwari, yung isang
mm,
tao ay gusto ko maging friend, I can accept somehow yung pagka-toxic niya. Kasi like for example, kaya ko nalaman yan eh. Bakit siya nag-iina? So, hindi ko naman siya kaibigan. Parang ganon. Parang like
Mm-mm.
for example, hindi part ng circle ko. Kumakaasta naman parang kamag-anak ko. Kumakaasta naman parang kaibigan ko. Gets?
mm,
So, minsan, somehow, yun yung pinagkaiba natin, no? No, parang ako, namimili rin ako sa tao kung tatanggapin ko yung pagka-toxic niya. Parang
mm,
ganon. Parang, kanta ni Mother Monster na I love your ugly, I want your disease. Parang ganun yung pagmamahal mo sa isang tao, kasama na yung kanyang pagka-toxic. Yun
yeah,
yung
yeah,
kasing
yeah.
bad romance eh. Tanggap ko yung pagka-ugly, yung
Mm,
ugliness mo, I want your ugly, I want your disease. So yun yung fundamentally pinagkaiba nating dalawa. How about you, Blake? Tao o yung trait?
I can't answer directly kasi there's a lot of factors that come into play eh. When I say a lot of factors come into play, like for example, gaano na ba tayo katagal magkaibigan?
Mm.
Tapos, how long have I known this trait for? Kumaga, hindi ako makakapag-decide just because of a person's toxic trait. Kasi like what you mentioned, there are toxic traits that, um, kumaga, ano siya eh, natotolerate ko. Or kung
mm,
hindi ko man natotolerate, na lelebelan ko. Kumaga, baka similar tayo sa toxicity ng ugali ng part na yun na parang, kaya tayo magkaibigan kasi, okay, baka same jive tayo when it comes to this. I also can't dismiss a person just because toxic, like, or siya lang as a person. Kasi, um, I super value lalo na yung mga long-term bonds already. Kumbaga, kung ako let go ako sa isang tao na nakasama ko na ng matagal, it was a thought of decision. Hindi yan may
Mm.
isang incident lang. Kumbaga, I have friends right now from college that nagkaroon kami ng gap or something, pero eventually in the long run, pag nagkausap naman kami na nagiging okay. So, I have friends
Mm.
like that pero kumbaga, ano yan eh, siguro ako ay dito lumalabas yung pagiging overthinker ko na kailangan kong himay-himayin yung bawat detalye or I try to understand the other person pa rin kasi. Kasi in the manner that I understand them, I know that they also are trying to understand me.
Yeah,
Kumbaga may siguro
may
ganung principle.
ganon.
Ina-acknowledge ko kasi na at yun nga, sabi mo nga din kanina, at times hindi naman ako yung perfect na imahe ng isang kaibigan. I also have my share of toxic
Toxic.
traits na tinotolerate ng other party. And I'm very, very grateful of that. Also, hindi naman dahil tinotolerate niya yung toxicity ko or vice versa, it means na pangit na yon. There are just some friends na kumbaga who has been there for you for the longest run na kahit na ganun parang natatry mong intindihin. Meron kang level or meron kang margin of error na naaalaw sa other person. In the same manner din na inaalaw nila tayo for
Mm.
that margin of error.
True. Parang may journey na, may pinagdaanan na. Di ba?
True.
Parang
Pero
tayong
again,
tatlo.
wait, don't get me wrong. Pumipitik pa rin ako kapag sobra na. And I think
Boundaries.
it happened with the three of us. Like I've
Mm.
had enough, I've had my limit. Pwede na kita kahit nasasabihin natin mag-iisang dekada na yung pagkakaibigan natin. If ngayon parang confident na ako na ayaw na kita maging kaibigan. It happened, I think, with all of us din naman.
Stop the car. I mean, stop
Yes.
the friendship. Oo,
Stop the
pero
car!
parang another that's
Oh,
a good
pero
take, Blake, no?
best, very quick lang. Baka naman sabihin nila, but parang yung losing friendships lang yung inano. How about finding new ones? Like, meron ba kayong instances
Okay.
na parang na-happy kayo na I like this another
Now,
circle of friends.
okay. Okay, ganito Hari. Siguro it comes with maturity, it comes with age. Before, basta classmate mo, blockmates mo, kasama mo, nagiging friends mo.
Mm.
Workmates mo, batch, yung, alam mo yung kacycle mo sa work, and then
Yeah.
sabay-sabay kayo nag-start, sabay-sabay kayo na-hire, and then sabay-sabay kayo nagla-lunch. It is considered in your 20s, I think, as friends already. 'Di ba? But now, me, in my, talagang, in my months of being in 30, na-realize ko na iba pala yung friend, iba pala yung katrabaho,
Acquaintance.
iba yung acquaintance, iba yung nakakasama mo sa pag-gym, iba yung nakakasama mo sa pag-workout, iba pala siya sa pagiging tunay na kaibigan. Medyo lumalalim yung iyong definition ng friend.
Yeah.
Before, share ko lang ha, alam niyo tong dalawa na sobrang laki kong people pleaser. I don't want an enemy, I don't want someone na ayaw ako. Gusto ko ng lahat. So I
Mm.
please people unconsciously, 'di ba? Parang I wanted to be seen as everyone's cup of tea. But nabago na siya because of the pandemic at maturity rin ngayon. Nung parang iniisip ko no na kon sobrang konti na lang yung nadadagdag sa list of my friends. Talagang
Mm.
sobrang konti. I mean, unlike before, na
Hindi
parang,
ka
oh my
nag-worry?
God. Of course, nakaka-worrisome siya, Blake, na parang hindi ba ako nagso-socialize enough kasi may mga nag-aaya naman.
Mhm.
'Di ba? Meron namang nagsasabi na parang, sumama ka dito sa aming club na parang naglalaro ng mga board games, mga ganyan, 'di ba? But, medyo ano ka na medyo hindi ka na kasing enthusiastic before to socialize. Parang nababawasan yung social battery natin as we grow
Yeah.
old. Mm-mm.
Mm. Ako naman, regarding that one, kaya, ewan ko ha, partially baka na-classify akong introvert ngayon is, I open up to just a few people. Actually, kayo, kumaga, I would consider you like the bestest circle of friends talaga na, kumaga, hindi ko lahat nakikwento, pero you know a lot of deep parts about my life that other people won't get to know kasi hindi
Mm.
ko ipapaalam sa kanila yon. I have met friends na work friends, kumaga, uy, hi, hello. But
Yeah.
siguro nga dun sa mga work friends ko, I consider tatlo lang yung napag-sharean ko. Even yung mga ganap sa bahay, yung mga ganap natin,
Mm.
tatlo lang. Pero, kumbaga, ako pa rin naman yung, I'm the same old Blake as I was in college na parang, hoy, hello, pagpasok mo ng office. But,
Mm.
hindi lahat yon alam kung saan ako ng weekend. Hindi lahat yon alam um, kung anong ginawa ko pagdating ko ng bahay. Was I tired? Was I having a breakdown? Was I happy? Was I drinking out last night? Hindi nila alam yun. Kasi I feel like they don't need to know those information, but I would consider them friends pa rin naman. It's just that kung sabihin natin yung level of friendship na kagaya natin or kagaya dun sa mga ka-close no, kasi para ako nag-delimit talaga ako. Kasi
Mm.
na-realize ko rin in the long run na parang people won't understand you. Kumbaga, if they took the time to understand you and then you also took the time to understand them, kasi I always believe relationship is two-way street, baka yun, baka mag-form ng something deeper than friends, like best friends or like closest circle of friends. But other than that, very limited na ako, even sa work. Kumbaga, out of yung pag-close ko rin sa sarili ko. Surprisingly nga, di ba? Parang kilala niyo ako na Blake na parang kilala si ganito, ututang
Star
dila si
Academy.
ganitis, na-formulate nga yung Star Academy. But no, things are very, very different now. Kasi ako na rin yung nag-limit sa sarili ko, I guess.
How about you,
Yeah.
Mr. Extrovert Harry?
Hindi
How's
ako,
finding new friends, ha?
Kamusta ang
yes,
social
yes.
battery ng Betsy ko?
Friends, ha? Baka mamaya finding new love.
Hindi,
Because
hindi,
I
hindi.
find the one.
Friends,
Charot.
friends. Ako, I feel like, mas, in terms of finding new friendships, mas based ako sa interest. Like, meron akong set of friends na parang ang shallow lang ng mga pinag-uusapan. Pero, I cherish them. Like, okay lang ako. Kasi parang I don't want din naman always dun yung I mean yung bonding kind of relationship na pinag-uusapan yung iba't ibang kung ano-ano or ibang like take for example yung isa kong friends dito sa work. Talagang we get to find restaurant lagi, new restaurant every week. So definitely ito yung mga colleagues ko. So parang medyo sa interest sa food talaga kami nagkakasundo. Kasi parang 'pag sinabi, "Uy, may masarap daw ng ganito." So lahat everyone is game na parang, "O tara." Tapos yun.
So would you
Basta
say na
more of interest.
compartmentalize ka?
Actually,
Oo.
gusto ko ngang sabihin kanina na parang yung kind of friendship ko ngayon parang drawer.
Ganito.
Yeah.
Parang
Yeah,
drawer,
oo.
parang you're my friend in terms of
Harry,
this, you're my friend in
um,
terms of this. Parang gano'n na
um,
ako.
parang I've listened to a podcast, but I can't pinpoint whether ito ba yung dun sa podcast ng ating mga beauty queens. But baka mamaya special interest group yan, hindi friends. Kasi like
Hmm,
for example, you group yourself for a certain interest. Like for example, cooking. Or you're a group of content creators like what we're seeing in social media right now, di ba? Bumubuo sila ng grupo because special interest group, they create content. They are influencers. But hindi siya yung level of
yeah.
friendship for
Pero ako
life.
kasi best like parang ang pinakang main ko talaga like para na okay, we're friends is if they're checking on you. Like when they look at you
Hmm.
na parang sad and then parang may parang may problema. Parang
Oh.
feeling ko kasi it's not normal for you to care to someone na parang I mean, 'di ba? And then at the same time they would try to offer help and then yeah, like for example nung pandemic may mga iba din naman na alam mo yun, like 'di ba nga nagkaroon kami ng mga parang games during that night,
So is
'di
it
ba?
safe to say
Well,
that it started out as you compartmentalizing your interests, your hobbies, or yung mga different sides of you, and then
yes.
eventually from compartmentalizing or in your words from your drawer, nakakuha ka na ng mga like
New sets of friends.
new set of friends. Yeah.
Yes,
So I guess
yes.
that's also valid
Definitely.
din naman.
Yeah,
Kumbaga,
yeah.
I understand yung sinasabi ni Matt na interest groups that you
Actually, it's a good
share.
point. Mm.
Uh,
You have
kaya
to
ko nasabi yung
realize kung interest
kaya ko
group lang
nabanggit
siya.
yung compartmentalize kanina kasi kumbaga a lot of relationships start out from that. Pero Harry, us, how would you compartmentalize us?
Best parang hindi naman sa nagpapaka-cheesy 'no, parang feeling ko naman this is the ano na, I mean kung
Eh kasi baka best
kung
friends mo lang kami sa massage.
Ay!
Uy!
Ay,
Charot
Nakakaloka kayo.
lang.
Oo.
Hindi, I mean
Pero
parang
sige,
oo,
uncut
kung
ha.
may gitna yung drawer nandun kayo, just to be cheesy on
Ah,
this
Ah,
so
ang
kami
ano.
yung mga
sikip naman
maliliit na
dun.
German EPs na nakaka ano-ano dun sa mga nooks and
Eh,
crannies
yung
ng
mga
mga
natanim balls dun.
Hindi kasi kanina
Pamatay.
sabi kasi ni Harry, kinakamusta siya. Hindi nga natin kinakamusta yan. At
Hindi,
hindi
kaya
na mag-okay
banggit
siya.
yung
Charot.
compartmentalize kay Harry kasi during Harry's 30th birthday, there were groups. Like,
Yeah.
kumbaga, hindi ko naman sinasabi na hindi kami magja-jive ever nung mga yon. Pero, ako, like, you would not see me mingling out with them or like hanging on their group
Ay,
for 2 weeks.
oo.
Kasi, di ba,
Actually,
parang pag tayo naman, though,
ah,
it was fun. Masaya akong may
Blake,
mga
may
nakilala ako dun sa,
actually yung drawer na yun, may names, may tag. Like for example, college friends, company friends, first
oo, may,
company friends. Ganun si
oo,
Harry,
may
di
mga,
ba?
may ganun
Yes.
nga siya. So, kumaga, it happens naman and hindi naman yon, it's not something na it's not something negative. Ako, hindi ko rin sinasabing hindi ko sila makakabond kasi nakakulitan ko naman. Pero yung uuwian mo na grupo is yung circle nyo pa rin. So, I
Yes.
guess that's the safest route na
Oh, sige, sige. Just to end with finding new friends, no, it really depends kung paano mo dadalhin or kung paano mo dadalhin yung mga friends mo, no? So, parang very different pala talaga tayo kung paano
Yeah.
natin tinatrato yung friends natin. Somehow, medyo parang ayoko na lang basta mag-tag ng friend. Because before, di ba parang, alam mo yan, sa isang inuman, parang lahat pwede ko i-consider yun as my friends. Sa isang
yeah.
bar na malapit sa school, parang, these are all my friends.
Yan ang difference
Lahat.
natin, man.
Mm-mm.
Kasi ikaw, you get parang lahat sa'yo, okay. Hoy, hoy, hoy. Ako kasi, pagpasok ko ng isang room, ayoko dyan, ayoko. Parang, kumbaga may ganun ako,
Yes,
na
doon
hindi
tayo
kita
very
bet
different.
maka-join, hindi kita
Mm-mm.
bet makausap, or kung magtatanong lang siguro ako sa'yo 1 or 2 questions. Kasi it takes something to pique my interest sa isang tao before
Oo.
I can actually consider them. Yung mga nakakausap ko ngayon over Instagram, yun, as in like real deep life talks. And I'm happy to have them kasi they get to share
Yes.
sentiments with me. I
Yes.
get to share sentiments with them as well. So I guess kumaga may level of comfortability and hindi ko basta-bastang maibibigay yon sa ibang tao.
Oo, at saka yun yung isa sa mga talagang harsh realities na na-realize ko if you're going to look back at dun sa pinakauna nating episode, yan yung na-discuss ko, no? How I wish I knew that most of them will not be my friends talaga in the long run.
Yeah.
Diba? Parang that I shouldn't be a people pleaser. So, now looking for new set of friends, I'm very open. Yun lang yung gusto kong sabihin. Hindi ko naman kino-close ang doors, hindi naman tayo nang-gatekeep, but I'm looking for, lalo na at our age, as we enter this decade of our
Yeah.
life, no? Parang gusto ko yung talagang magtatagal na.
I agree.
Ay, ang lalim ng usapan.
Do you think, 'di ba, sabi ko nga dun sa isa nating what do you call this? Sa isa nating sa live stream natin na we started out as 5 and then eventually 4 na lang tayo and then ngayon starting the channel 3 na lang tayo. Do you think anything could make or break pa yung relationship between a group? Or what do you think could make or break a relationship ng isang group of friends?
Ako kung ang question mo is kung pwede pang, magkabalikan, yung dating kind of
Pwedeng
relationship.
magkabalikan, pwedeng further mabuwag pa, like your thoughts.
Ako definitely yes, kasi parang ano yan sabi nga natin na parang living the life, kanya-kanya tayo ng diskarte, at the same time, yun nga, the level of ganito na kaya mong i-accept or kaya mong i-let go. So, ibig sabihin, I mean, take for example, kanina nga napansin ko lang yung pagsagot ng personality test, parang yung mga sinasagutan ko, it's about the present time eh. I mean, pwede pa rin mabago yung personality ko, I guess, kapag sinagutan ko to in a different time. So
Yeah,
parang
so
feeling
time is a
ko,
factor for you.
yes.
Parang wag ka magsalita ng tapos. Parang gano'n.
Yeah,
Yeah.
oo. Malay mo tumanda talaga akong grumpy. Tsari.
Ha! Wag.
yung,
Yun
yung
yung
galit sa
Parang of
mundo,
all,
yung galit sa
hoy,
mundo,
parang feeling ko of all sa ating tatlo, hindi ikaw yung hindi tatandang grumpy.
feeling ko din naman.
Like, parang feeling ko ako pa yun. Yung makurot lang.
Hoy, Blake parang yan yung, di ba, parang
Yung
ano yan
naninita ng kabataan sa labas ng bahay.
Ute,
Wag
Diyos
naman.
ko.
Parang
Ako na
ito
yung
na lang,
grumpy
sige,
tita.
our advice na lang doon sa mga nakikinig sa atin, no? Since we talk about toxicity, we talk about yung losing and finding new set of friends, pag-usapan muna natin yung sarili natin, no? As an individual, not as someone's friend, not as a part of a group, but our individual self, no? Yung toxicity, nabanggit ko kanina, lahat tayo meron dyan. But what I learned is that we must be able to recognize kung ano yung toxic trait natin.
Yeah.
Yun yung parang lesson learned ko na natutunan ko I think a year ago, na parang okay na malaman mo kung ano yung toxic trait mo and then you acknowledge it and then you know na dapat mo siyang baguhin. 'Di ba? For you to avoid siguro maging grumpy in the end. Kasi 'di ba parang ako nakapag-identify ako. Yun yung mas magandang New Year's resolution, no? I-identify mo na lang yung toxic trait mo and then kung sana mabago or malesen. So yun lang, yun yung advice ko lang naman. Kayo as an individual, no? Ano yung advice yun sa mga kikinig sa atin?
Okay. Ako advice ko talaga is um don't force things like take for example, 'di ba? Parang one time talaga ang dami sa akin nagyayaya like go out sa on a Friday night. Pero ako talaga parang na-realize ko na talaga na if hindi mo naman talaga kaya, wag mo nang pilitin. Like sinabi ko talaga sorry, yung social battery ko talaga lagas
Parang
na
learn
lagas
how to
na.
say
No.
Learn how
no.
to say no. Kasi
Yeah,
kahit na
that's a
parang
good
kahit na parang they are offering you the, you know, the fun night of your life na talagang parang, "Oh, hindi magiging maganda 'to,
totoo.
sasaya
Hindi ako
ka, gaganda yung pakiramdam mo 'pag sumama ka." Pero parang ako, ayoko na nung pupunta ako dun ta's biglang nakagano'n lang ako. Yung nakatamuso ka lang.
actually
So,
totoo.
naging ano ka pa, naging baggage ka pa nung everyone's night. So, ako yung parang it's also a beneficial to your friends na magsabi ka ng totoong nararamdaman mo na if you cannot do it or ano. So, kasi ako naman yung taong kapag game naman ako, alam mo yun, Blake, tumatawag ka minsan ng emergencies na mga,
Yes.
"Bes,
Hoy,
punta tayo sa
Yes.
tumatawag ka
ganito."
rin. Wait lang, can we put it the other way around as well na ikaw tumatawag ka rin ng
Is
emergencies?
this a
Sige na.
pop emergency?
No, it's a massager sensei.
Sabi pala nito.
Then, charot lang. Kumbaga, yeah.
I mean, 'pag naman talaga nagsabi sa'kin yung isa kong friend na parang, "30 minutes, ready ka ba?" Talagang ma-identify ko yung sa state of mind ko, ready ako, game,
That's
tara,
a good
go.
one, Harry, no? Isa rin yan
Yeah.
sa mga natutunan ko, learn how to say no. How about you, Blake?
Ang hirap ng tanong ha. Siguro don't be afraid na pakawalan yung ibang tao in your life. Like, I understand sometimes it's been years. It's also sometimes, kumbaga, ang dami niya ng pinagdaanan. Baka mamaya yun nga, yung nauuso na naman ata ngayon, yung sunk cost fallacy. Yeah, I don't know if you've
Yeah,
encountered that. Beses ko siyang nakita sa TikTok at sa
I heard
Facebook.
about that.
But yeah, kumbaga, there are instances wherein the sunk cost fallacy is very, very imminent sa atin. Don't be afraid. Lalo na kung, if you look at a larger scale, ang laki nung pinagsamahan ninyo. Kumbaga, if it's weighing you down, if it's not giving you anything na kumbaga, ano tayo always looking forward tayo. Kumbaga, lahat tayo may individual goals, whatever they are. There are no small goals, there are no big goals. Pero kumbaga, ang bottom line is may goal ka sa life mo. If people are not helping you out or these friends are not helping out, do not be afraid to let them go or to take a break from your friendship. Siguro kung ayaw mo
I
pakawalan, you can
believe
take,
parang to say it in a quote, parang ano ba yan? Sometimes quitting is not always losing.
yeah, exactly. So parang hindi naman ikaw yung natalo kasi at least, and in the
Yes.
same manner ha, wag din tayong matakot na mag-explore. Kumbaga, ako kasi yun yung pinaka-trouble ko sa sarili ko. I have a hard time opening up to new people. Much as people know a lot about me, about the struggles that I go through, kumbaga, that's just a day that I told you. Hindi mo alam kung ano yung buong storya niyan. Kumbaga, siguro ako, tinatry kong mag-open up pa ng mas ano ko. Kumbaga, madalas kasi surface lang yung pinapakita ko eh. Hindi naman ako takot na hindi na magkaroon ng friends moving forward. Pero siguro ako gusto ko pa kasing kahit papaano makakilala ng ibang tao. Kumbaga, mas makaintindi ano yung pinagdadaanan nila. Kumbaga, wag
Mm.
tayong malimit. Say in the same manner na ito, wag nating ilimit yung sarili natin sa test na tinake natin. Wag din tayong mag-limit moving forward. So, basta yun, I guess yun yung pinaka gist nung buong mahaba kong litanya. Don't be afraid to move forward.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I think to end this podcast, kung mag-iwan lang tayo ng isang matinding advice para doon sa mga tao who's making it very hard. Kasi we're talking about people who find and who lose friendship. But to those who are listening in their phones, in their home, na hirap talagang magkameron ng friends or walang friends, no? I think we should leave them a message then. Parang sila yung nandun sa gray area ng topic natin na to, and we need to say that we acknowledge them also, no? There are also we acknowledge them also. So, ang gusto ko lang sabihin talaga hindi naman nasusukat yung yung pagkatao mo sa dami ng tao na kinokonsidera mo bilang iyong kaibigan, 'di ba? There are also hindi doon nasusukat 'yun. Talagang konti man ng kaibigan mo pero maaasahan mo, makakausap mo, mas mahalaga 'yun kaysa sa dami, 'di ba? Quality over quantity.
Yes. Mm. Ako,
Mm.
pinakang big advice ko na lang is you learn how to love yourself first. Kasi nagta-transcend yun sa mga taong nasa paligid mo. Na if you're not comfortable with yourself, parang
Mm.
baka
Sabi nga
ma-deem
ni
ka nila
Mother
as
RuPaul,
fake.
nakalimutan mo, lumayo ka naman, sabi ni Mother RuPaul. If you
Ah,
can't love yourself, how in the hell are you gonna love somebody else? Can I get an amen up in here?
Amen.
yes.
Yes. I mean, yun nga, love yourself first kasi it will transcend to your circle na totoo kang tao and they will love you.
Oo nga, no? Ako siguro, yung advice ko sa sasagutin ko yung kay Matthew, echo ko yung kay Harry. Na if you know your value, and people come to know that value, I think ibibigay nila sa iyo kung ano yung exact value na kailangan mo. And then I
Yes.
guess pag na-match nila yung pagmamahal mo sa sarili mo, then I guess the relationship is right. Kumbaga
Yes.
everything takes. Kasi baka naman mamaya you're giving too much of yourself already na hindi mo din napaprioritize yung sarili mo.
Mm.
Kumbaga, yeah, yun lang. Siguro echo ko yung kay Harry.
Mm. And I think that's it for the first episode of the Kami-Kami Lang podcast.
Sabi sa inyo, kami-kami lang to eh. Ang gulo,
Kami-kami
di
lang
ba?
to, di ba?
Charot!
Oh, di ba? But I think in the coming episode, mamimigay kami ng ito na, online tickets.
Pero don't lose hope.
Yes.
Tignan natin. Hindi pa natin sure. Baka naman meron. Basta we'll definitely give away tickets.
We just like to congratulate our Mahalima because according to the ticket selling online, Ticketnet online, this performance is sold out. My God, in just a few
Yes.
days.
Wow.
And super thankful sa Mahalima for, giving us a topic na we can dwell in, or like pwede tayong makapag-reflect, nakakatuwa na kumaga, ako nga this is a whole new side to SB19 from us just seeing them perform, from seeing them magkulitan sa vlog. At least dito sa part na to, feel natin na talagang kakilala natin sila or like
Yes.
we're really grasping yung personality nila even more. Kumbaga, SB19 is so much more than just who they are on stage.
Oh, they are an inspiration, no? Yung hard work. They inspire us more than their music alone. Like now, 'di ba? Yung kanilang mga heart-to-heart talk at saka raw conversation, no, na-inspire tayo to do the same. So, thank you, Mahalima.
And also
Go.
congratulations to SB19, no. Hindi madaling maglabas ng inner thoughts. Alam niyo 'yan, sa taas ng cancellation nowadays, I mean, lahat ng words mo may
Exactly.
nagbabantay. Pero meron akong balita.
Shh! Ang Jingay! I have made my decision to end this podcast, charing. And that's a wrap for today's Kami Lang.
Podcast.
We hope you had fun listening and as much as we had fun recording this episode.
Absolutely, your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us for more candid conversations. You may support us via GCash, PayPal, or Super Thanks.
We can't wait to have you back with us on the next episode. Until then, keep it real, stay awesome, and remember, it's always kami lang
Kami lang.
here. Goodbye.